When I look at myself, at times I don't understand it, and I like it when a human being does not understand God. Because we are not here to tell you, because you are going through this, because you went through this is the plan that God has for you. And all we know is that God says, I have plans for you to prosper you, not to harm you. That's all we know. We don't know.
Yes.
I know people they never knew their parents and all that. I can't come to this person and then tell them, because when I was this is what God is going to do. We don't know. All we know is He has plans to prosper us, not to harm us. And one thing was to understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu unepower engakanani. Yabona umethi uJosepha eshokubafowabo ukuthi you meant it for evil. But uNkulunkulu was able to use even the saddest thing, ukuthi alethe lento ezohambisana nenkazimulo yakhe. It simply means ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthatha izitori zethu sonke sila. Asikho istory esila horrible ngale ndlela ukuthi uNkulunkulu angaze akwazi ukusebenzisa. God is able to take whatever story of yours, when you present to Him and say, God, I humbly bow before you. This is my story. I don't understand it. And then God is able to take that and bring about transformation in your life. The question is, are you willing to walk with Him? You can never find your superpower while you are holding on to what. Your superpower is in releasing and letting go and say, God, I'm going to carry those scars moving forward. I'm no longer that person, but I'm going to carry those scars moving forward. Umuntu odivosile angaze akwazi ukuqhubeka abuye abe single. Nabasane ngadiphi manje bengithi kanti manje. Umuntu odivosile angaze akwazi uphinda abe single njengoba abe single, because you are a different person. This thing of trying to go back, umuntu ochokoze umlenze emanzini for the first time and the second time are not the same. You are no longer the person who is single wena usudlule emshadweni. But all I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzothatha that journey of yours, approach with something magnificent.